TeKanAid Academy is built for people who want more than just video courses. It gives you a structured path to actually build skills through bootcamps, courses, quizzes, hands-on labs, and certifications. Inside the Academy, you can start with a full bootcamp experience where everything is organized into a step-by-step learning path. Each bootcamp is made up of focused courses, so you always know what to learn next and how each topic connects. For example, in a crossplane course, you're not just watching theory. You move through lessons that explain the concepts clearly via videos, diagrams, and organized text. Then you reinforce what you learned with quizzes along the way. But the biggest difference is the labs. Instead of stopping at content, you actually get to work inside guided, hands-on environments. You can use a real terminal, edit files, work through exercises, and build practical experience in a way that feels much closer to real engineering work. And if you get stuck, the built-in AI assistant is there to help inside the lab experience itself. That means learners can keep moving, understand what they're doing, and get support in the moment instead of leaving the platform to search for answers. By the end, students are not just finishing lessons. They're completing real practice, building confidence, and earning certificates that reflect what they've actually worked through. And the Academy is flexible. You can choose the level that fits you best, whether you want full access with hands-on labs, a course-focused option, or even an individual course. If you want to learn by doing, not just by watching, TeKanAid Academy gives you a practical path from learning concepts to building real skills.